am the facial architect, and here I am demonstrating to you a plasma pen fractional tip electroporation facial. Ensure your clients have no makeup on initially, and then cleanse over the skin with Louise Walsh International Cleansing Lotion. Choose the serum that you wish to infuse into your skin, and ideally you would massage that into the forehead area to start with. However, for this client, her main concerns with the bumpy fractional tip, so the one that looks like a pyramid style fractional tip, we're going to infuse this in around her chin, upper lip area, as that's her main area of concern of where she has very uneven texture on her skin. This client has also recently undergone chemotherapy treatment and did not want her whole facial done with the rough fractional tip, as her skin is rather sensitive right now. Apply the serum to the skin. You can either use a brush or use gloved fingertips, and apply the conductor gel over the top, Louise Walsh International Conductor Gel. Depress your plasma pen fractional tip into the skin. Press your finger on the button if your pen requires you to, and gently glide the fractional tip over the skin. Generally, the client feels nothing. They may get a little bit of tingliness in the skin. Once you have covered the whole entire face or finished working on the areas of deep lines, if you were only doing the deep lines with the pyramid style fractional tip, gently compress off the conductor gel and then switch your tips over, applying the smooth tip into your plasma pen. Apply more of your intense Transdermal Delivery System serum onto the skin. And this one we're using serum number 3 by Louise Walsh International. This is packed full of vitamin A and also peptides. It also delivers hyaluronic acid into the skin. Apply conductive gel over the top and then depress your smooth fractional tip into the skin. Depress the button if your pen requires it to, and gently glide over the skin. We work each area of the face 5 minutes at a time. So the forehead, 5 minutes. The cheek area, 5 minutes. The jowl and chin area, 5 minutes. And then you would work another 5 minutes around the chin, upper lip and nose area, just ensuring that you are covering every part of the face. It doesn't matter if you choose to go in horizontal direction, vertical direction, crisscross direction, or even in circles. Just find a method that suits you best, concentrating on the areas where the skin really needs the serum, e.g. around the eye area, underneath the eye area, forehead lines, creases where there's open pores, nasolabial folds, chin area, and of course if you were taking it onto the neck, you would focus down onto the neck area as well for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the client's neck. Once you've covered the whole entire face, massage the rest of the serum into the skin. You would also remove any conductor gel, excess conductor gel on the skin, and then you'd massage any more serum that was left in your pot into the skin, and then apply the client's regular moisturizers. This is a perfect treatment done straight after skin needling and after plasma pen skin tightening treatments, once the carbon dots have fallen off the client's skin. Perform once a week for a minimum of 4 weeks, depending on the client's skin type and also any level of sensitivity. As you can see, the picture on the right, her skin is much brighter. You can see that the fine lines and wrinkles around her mouth area are lifted out, and overall the skin looks much healthier.